So this is my Kidspiration math activity. I started up here by making a number line. Just something that the kids can use to add and subtract, count back and forth. It can come in handy as an accommodation for students with disabilities. Then down here are my addition problems. This activity is geared towards someone who's learning early addition or early computation skills. So I've started out by putting out the manipulatives for the student. So you can see the first two problems, 3 plus 4 and 4 plus 1. I've put out the manipulatives for the student to count. It's kind of like a scaffolding way. Then for the later problems, the student picks it up and brings out the manipulatives himself. Perhaps for a student who had fine motor or gross motor difficulties, I would lay out the manipulatives for all of the problems.